अकेले अकेले ट्रिप पे भी अकेले आए थे। जिंदगी क्या है यार, ये अकेले
अल्लाह के पास।
अरे भाई भाईजान कराची से हो? नहीं, खाने वाले
मी नॉर्थ नाजिमाबाद।
अच्छा कराची हो।
हैशटैग प्रोफेसर एम ए रजा, यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोफेसर एम ए रजा। गॉड ब्लेस यू। नो थैंक यू। यूट्यूब चैनल पे लाइव जा रहा है।
बाबा जी सियालकोट,
बाबा जी कराची, नॉर्थ नाजिमाबाद। हैशटैग प्रोफेसर एम ए रजा। मेरा घुटना खराब है, सारा दीजिए। थैंक यू। यहाँ से आगे कैसे जाएगा? आगे केबल कार नहीं है, आगे पैदल मार्च।
जी पैदल मार्च। इसमें तो मजा ही एक है, वॉक पे है ना, पैदल जाए तरफ जाओ तरफ। चाय पकौड़े चिप्स
खुदा फरमान।
हाँ भाई, स्की करेगा? स्नो टायर
नीचे जाके नीचे
भी मुनासिब लगाए।
अभी नहीं,
ठीक है,
अगर जेन बन गया तो बता दो।
कर लिया।
ठीक, हम नीचे से लेके आया साथ।
सफेदी नहीं राजस्थान आ गई। मुझे भी देखा था।
So guys, we are again back in Villa.
It'll be funny though.
As though my throat is not helping me to say something, but I'm still with you. As Joseph Conrad said, nothing is new in the world. It is just your arrangement and management.
बहुत बड़ा है भाई यार। दो टांगे।
So I'm still walking. My throat is not helping me. So I'm trying to have something or to get something to arrange or to have. And by the grace of Allah, this is my 7th tour. So we are
कब सेवा रहा
best couple I ever seen. यानी नीचे से कर क्या है? Guys, he is trying to convince me that should I skate with him, but I am refusing again because my current situation is not allowing me to have something like skating. So you are with me and I'm with you, and we are going on the Sweden of Pakistan. So
इधर से इनको साफ करना का ये लो ना खाओ नहीं खाओ मैंने आपको ऊपर लेके जाना है ना अगर आपको बात आई ना मुझे ऊपर नहीं ले जाऊंगा मैं नीचे ले जाऊंगा टीम क्या है सर इधर जल्दी बैठ
नीचे से लेके आया एहसान भाई से
ठीक है
आया याद. I was telling him that I got my skating skit from the bottom or base camp, and he remembered that he was also there. So still my throat is not helping me. This is my 7th tour, but unfortunately my throat is asking me, please forgive me, but I'm still gonna walk in. Huh? So as I have asked before, that as Joseph Conrad said, that nothing is new in the world, it is just your arrangement and management. So I'm trying to break my last record. So what will be happen? I am still 572 feet now. Oh, it's too slippery, guys, and I'm trying my best to So are you going upside or
no?
Okay, let me go up.
Yeah, definitely. We are too scared to go up.
Are you from?
Yeah, we are from Islamabad.
Oh, guys, I have two Islamabadian, a very best couple, and I'm praying for them, and I'm encouraging them. आजो बाचो कुछ नहीं होता आजो. So I was asking them in my national language Urdu that encourage yourself and come. As you can see, yes, 575 feet. So guys, still I'm on my way, and I'm going upside. As you can see that I'm having the aid of oh my gosh, skating skit, and I'm going upside. And guys, 500 and this is from the second floor of the. So आ जाओ, कौन सा रोज रोज आना है, आ जाओ. शूज स्लिपरी हैं, फिर आप एक काम करें, पहले उनको आगे भेजें फिर आप खुद आएँ. दैट विल बी मोर इजी फॉर यू बोथ. दे दो थोड़ी सी कुर्बानी. नहीं छोड़ता, सारी ज़िंदगी के लिए उसने पकड़ा हुआ है. अल्लाह ताला आप दोनों की लंबी ज़िंदगी करे इसी तरह खुशी के साथ. सो गाइस, हैशटैग इस्लामाबादियंस, माई हैशटैग प्रोफेसर एम ए रज़ा एंड ओशो रज़ा, ऑफिशियल चैनल प्रोफेसर एम ए रज़ा ऑन यूट्यूब. So guys, now 600 feet from the second platform of the. Now I'm too scary and I'm got some scary and I'm feeling too cold here right now, and so guys, it's so guys, try your best to range, because here is too slippery. I'm gonna take a pause because I'm not handling the video right now. Guys, my skating stick is full in the, as you can see. I'm coming back. So guys, I'm near about 800 feet here, and let me try that should I come forward or not. Yes, yeah. Oh. Oops. Shabash, shabash, bug up, bug up, bug up. You have done. Brave Islamabadians, you have done. So guys, that's with me. As you can see, I wanna try to show you that where they are. They are coming from there. As you can see, they are behind me, more than 300 or 400 feet below, and total lump sum of I think 12,800, and I'm gonna shift to the, yes, I have completed 900 feet of skating now. So now I'm going upside. So here I got some, as you can see, some aid of the hills, and I'm going upside now, and I'm going the activities of, oh my gosh, I'm going wrong side. Guys, as you can see, here is too slippery that one mistake will give me the touch of and hand of my Allah. So but I'm gonna try from this side. This is much better. As you can see, this is all is well, all is well, all is well. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Hosho Raza, you can do it. Professor MA Raza, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Guys, I have broken my last record of 872 feet of hiking, and now I'm going upside, and let me clear that. Today I'm going to make the final 1000. That's too much impossible, but today I will have to attain the impossible, and I'm gonna try it for further, and I'm gonna and so guys, as you can see, only 28 kilometers of hiking is remaining for me, and I'm going upside, and I've too far, and as you can see that there are Islamabadians. They are going upside and they are trying. So first I was requesting, first it was my first I was advising myself, and I was preparing myself to put my this vlog into two portion of part 1 and 2, and it was my desire to put a break at 14, because 14 is my birthday, 14 August. So you can ask me mini Pakistan, and my voice is not helping me. So guys, only and only guys, I want to tell you that only 14 feet are remaining. See guys, oh my gosh, oh ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी स्केटिंग स्टिक है, और यहाँ पर फाड़ी नहीं बल्कि खुआरी हो रही है, लेकिन इस मज़े का मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, आपको मैं इसको मैं इसको लफ्ज़ों की सूरत में आपको नहीं बता सकता. Guys, let me have a break for medicine for my throat. तो गाइस, मैंने मेडिसिन ली है. मेडिसिन मैं आपको साथ बता देता हूँ कि मैंने क्या ली है. मेडिसिन मैंने कुछ थोड़ी सी जो है ना वो ऐसी ली है कि जिसको हम जो है ना वो अभी कोई इतनी जो वो आप कह लें कि नहीं कहते हैं. और मैंने जो है ना वो अभी जो एक तो मैंने अभी जो है ना मुझे मैदे के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना वो जलन हो रही थी. ओह सॉरी, इट्स माय इंग्लिश व्लॉग. Sorry. I was asking that I have got medicine and in two types. First, I got medicine for my throat, and I use erythromycin, and because that was available in my first aid box, and my first aid box was with me. The quarter part of my first aid box was with me, and now I'm gonna upside. Only 14 feet are remaining for my next world record of 1000 feet of and I'm gonna tell you the final destination of my, that is my final destination, the second tree. There I will complete my 1000 feet of hiking in hilly and icy mountainous area. So I'm going further now. It's too dangerous now, and I'm gonna get yes. You can see there is a great slope. I'm not clearing the sky, but as you can see that I'm too dangerous now. I'm having pain in my ribs, severe pain in my ribs, severe pain in my stomach, and severe pain in my shoulders. But I'm gonna ask you that, please, are you coming up? Why? Only 8 feet are remaining of my next record of hiking of 1000 feet from the second platform of the trolleys. अगर इन्होंने मज़ीद हाइकिंग ना की तो आपने पता है क्या करना है, जो टिकट किया है ना उसके पैसे इनसे ले लेने, इनकी पॉकेट मनी से, क्योंकि ठीक है ना, क्योंकि अब वो हेल्प ही नहीं कर रही. Guys, only 8 feet are remaining and I was still with a great enthusiastic couple. Excuse me boss, would you like to share me your name please? I'm above the Rana Ibran Sahab and with his better off, and I'm trying to convince them that please come up, but they are still, as you can see, they are still where they are, as yes, here they are, as you can see. Yes, they are still. 8 feet are remaining, and now guys, it's too dangerous. I wanna show you from here. You can see it's too slippery, and but I'm still trying to come up. Now I need some help of trees to go up for. So guys, it's too slippery, but I'm gonna go farther. Hi, Professor MA Raza. Oh my gosh, there are, yeah, that's a great couple, Islamabadians. I'm going upside now, and it's too, my knee is not working now, but let me clear that. So I'm going upside with 2 parents and with 2 helping. Oh my gosh, I have made. So guys, I want to sit there. I want to sit. I'm gonna try my best to have some sort of so guys, ultimately I have got on the great thing, but I cannot sit down particularly. I'm gonna give guys, I have completed my 1000 feet, 1000 feet hiking. Now I'm having a bit dizzy. There are lot of pain in my ribs, lot of pain in my shoulders, in my arms, in my wrist, in my abdomen, stomach, in my head. I'm feeling too much headache now here, and should I say loser? They are Islamabadians are going back, guys. So guys, as you know, I have completed my I have broken my previous record of 972 feet hiking, and hiking, and now I'm the winner. Born to win, guys. Born to win. Born to win. Born to win. So now I'm going back. So I've got final time of 2 hour and 55 minutes to complete my and now so